Hello everyone and welcome to Brush with Magic. My name is Ron Stern. And today we're working on a piece entitled Not So Scary Greeters. It's a commission piece for some friends who enjoy the autumn and Halloween seasons at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And it's also a play on the name of the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween parties that are held there every year. And if you ever get a chance to go to one of those, they're absolutely a wonderful event to attend. They're a lot of fun. This time-lapse recording of the painting process is broken down into a series of videos, so if you want to see more, please subscribe to see them all. And in this video you can see that we're working on the rougher sketch stage, which is the initial stage of the piece. And we're really going into the rough work, and we're using brushes and erasers and smudge tools to refine and rework the value stage that we're in right now. And once the rough stage is done, we move right on to the second stage where the entire piece is cleaned and adjusted. It's not the final value yet or the detail stage yet, but you can see that it's moving us along in the painting process. You can see that we're using additional strokes and even using erasers to remove areas of value. We're really refining the entire image, the entire underlayer, and the image is beginning to take on a defined look. If you create your own paintings or artwork, I recommend that you apply a tip that I learned from watching and listening to Brent Watkinson, who's a fantastic artist. And before he begins any painting, he always asks himself 3 questions. And they are, is my image going to be light or dark? So it may be overall light with dark accents, or I may decide that I want the piece to be dark with light accents. And that's the first question, is my image going to be light or dark? And then I ask myself, is my image going to be overall warm or cool? Decide one or the other to avoid making it equally split between the two, which will confuse the image. Is it going to be warm with cool accents, or is it going to be a cool image with warm accents? Finally, ask what the basic color scheme of the image is going to be. Is it going to be a triad color scheme, complementary color scheme, split complementary, or one of many others? But decide in advance what your color scheme is going to be. That's the important thing. Make sure you decide beforehand, and that'll help keep your work harmonious, and it'll also capture the attention of the viewer better. And once the second stage of the piece is done, I lower it in opacity and I move on to the third stage, which is where we really create a detailed values layer. If you enjoy watching these videos, please click on the thumbs up, which helps the channel be found by more folks who may like them too. We're going to say goodbye for now, and we'll see one another in the next video for the Not So Scary Greeters.